Let's take a look at the gpresult command. If you run gpresult with no parameters, as we've done here, you'll see the different options available. This is also the case if you run gpresult /?S allows you to specify a remote computer system on which to run the command. This can be particularly useful in a help desk situation. There are also options here for specifying the username and password under which to run this command, should this be required for any reason. Note that you need to run gpresult with administrative privileges if you want to view the current computer policy, whether this is via you being logged in as yourself or via the /U and /P options available on this command. If you want to view both user and computer policies, this is the default setting and there is therefore no need to specify the scope option in this scenario. The /user option specifies which user on the destination machine you wish to view the policy for, assuming you are not currently logged in as that user. The /X and /H options allow you to output the result of the gpresult command into a human readable report. /X is for an XML report and /H is for a HTML report. For both of these options you need to specify a file name, as follows for /X and as follows for /H. /F forces an overwrite of the data contained within an output file if this has been specified. /R displays the RSOP summary data and is normally specified when running this command unless the /V or /Z options are specified. /V specifies verbose and displays additional RSOP information as well as the names of group policies that apply to the user and computer specified. The /Z option goes into even more detail and would be used where advanced debugging is required, but as this is rarely used, the /Z option is beyond the scope of this course. With the options out of the way, let's run gpresult /R to see what the typical output for this command would be. As you can see here, this displays information such as the current OS configuration and version, roaming and local profile paths, and details regarding user and computer settings. As mentioned earlier, computer settings will only display if gpresult is run using administrative privileges. Now that we've gone over the gpresult command, let's move on to formatting disk drives.